Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Umai Crate. You can head over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. These are monthly subscription boxes that have all sorts of neat stuff, ramen and recipes and DIY stuff, so pretty cool. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. So the first thing you see when you crack one of these boxes open is this informative pamphlet, and as you can see, this is the January 2022 Umai Crate. Inside you've got information on how to cook each variety, a little bit of background, a little bit of info, things like that. Now, if you don't know how to translate Japanese or read iconography dealing with the preparation of instant noodles, and you lose this, you're going to be in trouble, so don't lose it. You also get a recipe card. Alright, so let's go through everything that's in this box. So first off, we have a cup of Sara Udon. Sara Udon is an interesting thing. So basically what you do is you have these crisp noodles, and then you add this sauce over it and different things with that sauce. And during the meal, the noodles actually soften, and so you have kind of a dual texture thing of crunchy noodle and soft noodle. It's really unique, and it's really quite good. Next up from Igarashi, this is a Kitakata spicy ramen. The noodles here are non-fried. It's going to have a little bit of heat to it. Probably nothing that's going to make you go, oh, it's too spicy, I can't handle it. And generally these are quite good. I've enjoyed a few of these varieties from this range from Umai Crates before, and so yeah, this is cool. And from Sapporo Ichiban we have a Cup Star variety. These are pretty neat, kind of classic throwback varieties, very classic. This is their Kitsune Udon, and so this will have a little bit of fried tofu with it, a little bit sweet, a little bit bonito flavor. It kind of works together pretty well. Probably a buckwheat noodle. Well, it's udon, so I don't know, but it might be buckwheat udon. Yeah, I'm generally not a big fan of kitsune udon, but it is definitely a traditional variety of Japan, so worth a try. I haven't had this one, so maybe I'll like it. And from Yamamoto Siphon, we have a shrimp tempura soba. I don't know if there's little bits of shrimp in it, but I think I've had this before and it was very shrimpy. So if you're a shrimpy kind of person, this is shrimpy enough for you. And from Kinko Food, we have their Sesame Ramen. This one is made using 100% vegetable oil. I don't know how that's like a real bonus, but this company really swears by it, so that's cool. Then we've got a vegetarian variety. It says it's animal-free on the package. This is a Kagoshima spicy ramen, and this is going to be really freaking good. I've had a few varieties that these guys have made before, and yeah, I don't think I've had this one, though. Next up, we've got a Hakata ramen. This is like a tonkatsu. I believe it's an oyatsu tonkatsu. Kind of a tongue twister. But it's got a very rich broth, very strong flavor, and it's okay for people who are on the vegetarian side of things. This is a straight noodle, super good stuff. And then we've got a pack of Maloney Harassame Noodle, and this doesn't come with seasoning. However, this is kind of part of the whole DIY thing that Umai Crate likes to impart. You could put this with pretty much anything you want. You could take one of the instant noodles that come in this pack, skip out on their noodles and use this and make the broth with that. It's a noodle, so do with the noodle as you see fit. And finally, we have this Bonito Ochazuki. This is basically like Bonito. You can throw it on top of noodles or rice. Generally, I believe it's for rice. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of it here too, so you could season a lot of rice. Alright, so in this, the January 2022 Umai Crate, you get really freaking good straight noodles, Sara Udon, shrimp tempura, Maloney,
Sesame Ramen,
Kitsune Udon, Kagoshima Ramen, Kitakata Ramen, Ochazuki for days, a recipe card,
and your informational pamphlet.
Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Japan Crate for shooting these boxes over. I really like them. They seem to get better as the years go on. And I've been doing these since, I've been doing unboxings for them for about 4 years now. And it's a lot of fun. So thank you very much. And if you want to get one, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenerator on one of these Umai crates. You'll be glad you did. It's a lot of fun. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramenerator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.